The Egyptian pyramids, towering structures, ancient enigmas. These colossal monuments have stood the test of time, rising majestically from the sands of the desert. They are not just architectural marvels, but also symbols of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the most famous of them all, has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike. But what makes these pyramids so intriguing? These monuments have captivated humanity for centuries. People from all over the world come to witness their grandeur, to stand in awe of their sheer size and the mystery that surrounds them. The pyramids are more than just tourist attractions. They are a link to our past, a glimpse into the lives of the ancient Egyptians. How did ancient Egyptians build something so massive? The construction techniques used to create these stone giants remain a topic of debate and wonder. Some theories suggest the use of ramps, while others propose more advanced methods that are still not fully understood. The precision with which these stones were cut and placed is astounding, especially considering the limited technology available at the time. What secrets do these stone giants hold? Inside the pyramids, narrow passageways and hidden chambers add to the enigma. Were these structures solely built as tombs for the pharaohs, or did they serve other purposes? The hieroglyphics and artifacts found within offer clues, but many questions remain unanswered. Let's journey back in time. Imagine the bustling activity on the Giza plateau as thousands of workers toiled under the scorching sun. The construction of a pyramid was a monumental task that required meticulous planning, organization, and immense labor. It was a feat of engineering that still baffles modern scientists. Let's explore the mysteries of the pharaohs. These rulers were considered gods on earth, and their tombs were designed to ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. The pyramids were filled with treasures, food, and other items that the pharaohs would need in the next world. The belief in the afterlife was a central aspect of ancient Egyptian culture. These pyramids are more than just tombs. They are monuments to the pharaohs' power and their desire for immortality. The intricate designs and the sheer scale of these structures reflect the importance of the afterlife in ancient Egyptian society. Each pyramid tells a story of a ruler's journey to eternity. They are testaments to human ingenuity. The craftsmanship and engineering skills required to build these pyramids are a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. The tools and techniques they used were advanced for their time, and their achievements continue to inspire awe and admiration. They are symbols of a civilization obsessed with the afterlife. The elaborate burial practices and the detailed tomb paintings depicting the journey to the afterlife highlight the Egyptians' deep belief in life after death. The pyramids were not just final resting places, they were gateways to the eternal. The pyramids whisper tales of pharaohs and gods. The walls of these ancient structures are adorned with hieroglyphics that tell stories of divine beings and the pharaoh's divine right to rule. These inscriptions provide valuable insights into the religious beliefs and practices of the time. They hint at advanced knowledge and engineering. The precision and complexity of the pyramid designs suggest that the ancient Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge in mathematics and engineering. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies further adds to the mystery of their construction. The pyramid's construction is a puzzle. Modern archaeologists and engineers continue to study these structures, trying to unravel the secrets of their construction. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how these ancient wonders were built, but many aspects remain shrouded in mystery. It is a puzzle with many pieces. We have clues, we have theories, but the complete picture is still out of reach. The more we learn, the more questions arise. The pyramids challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations and their capabilities, but the complete picture remains elusive. Despite centuries of study, the pyramids continue to guard their secrets. They stand as silent sentinels, inviting us to explore and discover, yet always keeping some mysteries hidden. Join me as we delve into the secrets of the pyramids. Together we will explore the history, the myths, and the scientific discoveries that surround these ancient wonders. We will uncover the stories of the people who built them and the pharaohs who were laid to rest within their stone walls. Let's uncover the truth behind these ancient wonders. The pyramids are more than just historical monuments. They are a testament to human ambition, creativity, and the enduring quest for knowledge. Join me on this journey to unravel the mysteries of the pyramids. The story of the pyramids begins with simpler structures, mastabas. Imagine a flat-topped rectangular building. This is a mastaba. These early tombs housed the elite of Egypt's early dynasties. Mastabas were made of mud brick. They were precursors to the pyramids. Over time, these tombs grew in size. They became more elaborate. They reflected the Egyptians' growing obsession with the afterlife. Then came a breakthrough. A visionary architect named Imhotep. He designed a revolutionary tomb. A tomb that would change Egyptian architecture forever. This was the Step Pyramid. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, a marvel of its time, a symbol of innovation. This pyramid was unlike anything built before. It was a series of stacked mastabas, each layer smaller than the one below. The Step Pyramid was a giant leap forward. It marked the birth of the Pyramid Age. It was a symbol of the Pharaohs' power. It was a stairway to the heavens. Imhotep's design inspired generations of architects. The Step Pyramid paved the way for the true pyramids, the pyramids we know today. The reign of Pharaoh Snefru marked a turning point. He desired a different kind of pyramid, a pyramid with smooth sides, a pyramid that reached for the sky. His first attempt, the bent pyramid, was ambitious, but it encountered structural problems. The angle of the pyramid had to be changed during construction. This resulted in a unique bent appearance. Snefru was persistent. He learned from his mistakes. He built the Red Pyramid. This pyramid had a shallower angle. It was a success. The Red Pyramid was the first true smooth-sided pyramid. Section 5. The Great Pyramid, a monument to Khufu, the Great Pyramid of Giza, the pinnacle of pyramid construction, a testament to Pharaoh Khufu's ambition. This pyramid is the most famous of them all. It is an enduring symbol of ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid is colossal. It was built with over 2 million stone blocks. It originally stood at 481 feet tall. It was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. The precision of its construction is astounding. The sides are aligned with the cardinal directions. The interior chambers and passages are complex and mysterious. The Great Pyramid is a wonder of engineering. Section 6. Quarries and ramps, unraveling the construction. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental undertaking. It required massive resources and manpower. The first step was quarrying the stone. Millions of tons of limestone and granite were needed. The limestone came from nearby quarries. The granite, however, came from Aswan. This was hundreds of miles away. How did they transport such heavy stones? It remains a mystery. Once the stones were quarried, they had to be transported to the pyramid site. This was done using a system of ramps. These ramps were made of earth, brick, and wood. Section 7. The enigma of transportation. How did they move those stones? The transportation of the pyramid blocks is a subject of much debate. For centuries, historians, archaeologists, and engineers have pondered over the methods used by the ancient Egyptians to move these colossal stones. The sheer size and weight of the blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, make this an intriguing puzzle. The most widely accepted theory is the use of wooden sledges and rollers. These sledges, made from sturdy wood, would have been placed under the stones. Workers would then drag the sledges over a series of wooden rollers, reducing friction and making it easier to move the heavy blocks. This method, while labor-intensive, is supported by various historical records and depictions. Workers would drag the massive stones across the sand. To further ease the process, they might have dampened the sand in front of the sledges. This would create a slicker surface, reducing the effort needed to pull the stones. This technique has been demonstrated in modern experiments, showing its feasibility. Another theory proposes the use of levers and rollers. Levers, simple yet powerful tools, could have been used to lift the stones onto the rollers. By strategically placing the levers and applying force, workers could elevate the stones just enough to slide the rollers underneath. Workers would use these tools to lift and maneuver the stones into place. This method would have required precise coordination and timing, as the placement of the rollers and the application of force needed to be perfectly synchronized. This method would have required great skill and coordination. The workers, likely organized into teams, would have had to communicate effectively and work in unison to ensure the stones were moved safely and efficiently. The precision and teamwork involved highlight the advanced organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. Some researchers believe the Egyptians may have used water transport. The Nile River and its network of canals could have provided a natural highway for moving the stones. By loading the stones onto boats, the Egyptians could have floated them closer to the construction site, significantly reducing the distance they needed to be dragged overland. Canals and waterways could have been used to float the stones closer to the pyramid site. This method would have been particularly useful for transporting stones from distant quarries. The Egyptians were skilled boat builders and navigators, and their ability to harness the power of water for transportation is well documented. This theory is supported by some archaeological evidence. Artifacts and remnants of ancient boats, as well as depictions of water transport in tomb paintings, suggest that the Egyptians had the capability to move large stones by water. While the exact methods remain a topic of debate, the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians in overcoming such monumental challenges continue to fascinate and inspire. Section 8. The legacy of the pharaohs, cultural significance and symbolism. The pyramids were more than just tombs. They were powerful symbols of the pharaoh's authority. They represented the pharaoh's connection to the gods. They were a way to ensure immortality. The pyramids were also a reflection of Egyptian cosmology. They were aligned with the stars. They were designed to help the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens. The construction of the pyramids had a profound impact on Egyptian society. It required a massive workforce. It stimulated innovation in engineering and logistics. It left an indelible mark on Egyptian culture. Section 9. Conclusion: Enduring wonders of the ancient world. The Egyptian pyramids continue to fascinate us today. These monumental structures, built thousands of years ago, still stand tall and proud, capturing the imagination of people from all over the world. Their sheer size and the precision with which they were constructed leave us in awe. They are a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids were not just tombs for pharaohs. They were symbols of power, religious beliefs, and the technological prowess of a civilization that thrived along the Nile. They're a reminder of the power of human belief and the enduring allure of the past. The pyramids have stood the test of time, weathering natural elements and human intervention, yet they remain as majestic as ever. While we may never know all the secrets of their construction, the pyramids remain an inspiration. Theories abound about how these colossal structures were built, from the use of ramps to the possibility of alien intervention, but the truth remains a mystery. They challenge us to explore the limits of our own capabilities. The pyramids push us to think beyond the ordinary, to question what is possible, and to strive for greatness in our own endeavors. They remind us that even the most ambitious dreams can be realized. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental task that required vision, planning, and immense effort, proving that with determination anything is achievable. The pyramids are more than just ancient structures. They are a source of inspiration, a testament to human creativity, and a symbol of what can be achieved when people come together with a common purpose. They are timeless monuments to human achievement. The pyramids have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the march of time, and the evolution of human society. Yet they remain as a constant reminder of our shared heritage. They are a legacy that will continue to inspire and intrigue us for generations to come. As we look to the future, the pyramids will always be there, standing as a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity and our quest for knowledge and understanding.